Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to fix your RAM 1500 mirror. First, gather your essential tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Having a new mirror glass or a complete housing ready will make the repair process smooth. Always work in a well-lit environment to clearly see all the small components and fasteners, ensuring a precise and effective repair. Once your tools are ready, begin by gently prying off the plastic trim cover around the mirror. Use your trim removal tool to avoid scratching the paint or damaging the plastic. Next, locate and unscrew the mounting bolts that secure the entire mirror assembly to the door frame. Finally, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors that power the mirror's functions, such as heating or power adjustments, ensuring not to pull on the wires. Now, with the old mirror removed, it's time to install the replacement. First, carefully connect the electrical wires to the new mirror, ensuring each connection is secure and correct. Then, position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame and secure it tightly using the mounting bolts you removed earlier. Finally, snap the plastic trim cover back into place, making sure it fits snugly and all edges are flush with the door. After installation, perform a thorough test of all mirror functions. Check the power adjustments to ensure the mirror moves correctly in all directions, and if applicable, verify the heating element works. Clean the new mirror glass with a streak-free cleaner for optimal visibility and a polished finish. For other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. Regular checks will keep your mirror in top condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.